Hello children, how are you? Are you fine and safe at home? Okay dear, now we are going to enter the class. Today we are going to learn English grammar. English grammar. In this, we are going to learn the topic prepositions. Prepositions. Before going to the topic, look at this picture dear children. What is this? Yes, it's a crocodile. Where is the crocodile? The crocodile is in the pond. The crocodile is in the pond. Now what is this? A table and a book. Where is the book? The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Now look at the next picture. Where is the dog? The dog is near the tree. The dog is near the tree. Now can you say me where is the ball? Where is the ball? Yes, the ball is under the chair. The ball is under the chair. Now look at this next picture. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? The apple is between the two boxes. The apple is between the two boxes. Now we will discuss what is preposition. So prepositions are words which link nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in the sentences. So preposition is a word which links noun. Noun means naming words. So name of a person, name of an animal, and pronoun means the words which we use in the place of noun. So noun na first என்னது தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். noun na ஒருத்தரோட பெயர் இல்ல ஒரு மிருகம் இல்ல ஒரு இடத்தோட பெயர், அதுதான் noun. pronoun na அந்த பர்சனோட பெயருக்கு பதிலா நம்ம வேற வேர்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் pronouns. So preposition links these words noun, pronoun to other words in a sentences. So அது என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அந்த noun pronoun words மற்ற words கூட என்ன பண்ணுவோம், link பண்ண, it links other words in the sentences. So that is known as prepositions. What is that? Prepositions. I'll say once again. Prepositions are words which links nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in a sentences. So preposition oda work என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அது ஒரு நேம் நவுனியோ ப்ரொனவுனியோ இல்லை ஃப்ரேசஸ். ஃப்ரேசஸ்னால் ஒரு குரூப் ஆஃப் வேர்ட்ஸ், அது எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன பண்ணும், லிங்க் பண்ணும். அதுதான் அதோட ஒர்க்கு. ஆஸ் வி சி இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள், ஐ ஆஸ்ட் வேர் இஸ் தி புக். ஸோ புக் எங்கே அப்படின்னு நான் கேட்டேன். ஸோ வாட் யூ செட் ஆன்சர், த புக் இஸ் ஆன் தி டேபிள். ஆன். ஸோ புக்கையும் டேபிளையும் என்ன பண்ணுச்சு, ஆன் அப்படிங்கிற வேர்டு என்ன பண்ணுச்சு, லிங்க் பண்ணுச்சு. ஸோ த புக் இஸ் ஆன் தி டேபிள். So this on is known as prepositions. Okay. The next one, prepositions are usually describes the position or location of something or someone. So preposition என்ன பண்ணுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, it will describe the position. ஒருத்தர் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு பொசிஷன், ஒரு இடத்தையோ இல்லை இருக்கக்கூடிய இடம், லொக்கேஷன்னா ஒரு ஏரியா, அந்த மாதிரி எந்த இடத்துல இது இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அதை என்ன பண்ணணும், நம்மளுக்கு காமிச்சு கொடுக்குறதா அதோட வேலை. Shall we read once again? Prepositions are usually describes the position or location of something or someone. ஸோ ஒரு பொருளோ இல்லை ஒருத்தர், ஒரு ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸோ எங்கே இருக்கிறாங்க, எந்த இடத்துல இருக்கிறாங்க, இல்லை இந்த பொருள் எங்கே இருக்குது அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சிருக்காக சில வேர்ட்ஸ் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அதுதான் prepositions. I'll give you some examples of prepositions now. The first one is in, on, under, near and between. Before going to that words, just have a look in this video. Are you ready children? Okay. Now listen to this video first, then I'll explain you what does it means. Okay?
Hello everyone. We are going to learn 5 prepositions. They are on, in, under, near and between. Let's learn the 5 prepositions. Where is the flower vase? The flower vase is on the table. Where is the bird? The bird is on the fence. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Where is the fish? The fish is in the fish bowl. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Where is the bicycle? The bicycle is under the tree. Where is the bike? The bike is near the house. Where is the boy? The boy is near the car. Where is the bottle? The bottle is between the 2 boxes. Where is the teddy bear? The teddy bear is between the bag and the 2 books.
Now we will start with the words which I said before this video. In, on, under, near, between. So these are some words which is prepositions and which links noun, pronoun with the other words in the sentences. Let us see the first picture, dear children. Now you have to say, where is the ball? Yes, it is near the bat. Near the bat. Near means பக்கத்துல, ball வந்து bat ஓட பக்கத்துல இருக்கு. Near the bat. Now look at the next picture. Where is the man sitting? Where is the man sitting? So the man, and the human being வந்து அந்த ஆள் எங்க உட்கார்ந்திருக்காங்க? He is sitting under the tree. Under the tree. Under na மரத்துக்கு அடியில. அந்த மரத்துக்கு அடியில நிழல்ல உட்கார்ந்திருக்காங்க. Under the tree. Where is the baby sitting? Where is the baby sitting? So அந்த குழந்தை எங்க உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு? The baby is sitting on the mat. On the mat. On the mat na அந்த பாய் இருக்கு இல்லையா, பாய்க்கு மேலே தான் என்ன இருக்கு, அந்த குழந்தை உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு. The baby is sitting on the mat. What is this, children? Yes, it's a sandwich. Do you love sandwich? Okay. Now look at the picture and say the answer. Where is the vegetables and the cheese in this sandwich? The vegetables and cheese are in between the 2 bread slices. ஸோ மேலே இருக்க அந்த 2 பிரெட் தூண்டு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுக்கு நடுவில் தான் என்ன இருக்குது, காய்கறிகளும் அந்த சீஸும் இருக்குது. இஸ் between the slice of bread. Okay. Next one. Where is the cat? Cat எங்க இருக்கு? Yes, the cat is in the box. Inna உள்ள, அந்த பாக்ஸ்க்கு உள்ள இருக்கு. The cat is in the box. So these are some words which links noun, pronoun and phrases with the other words in the sentences. Okay, that is preposition. Now look at this big picture, dear children. You have to watch closely all these insects. Based on this, I am going to ask you some questions. You have to see all the insects and be ready for the question. So the first question is, where is the ant? Yes, the ant is in the hill. Next one. Where is the snail? Snail na nothing. Where it is? Yes, the snail is near the well. Well na kenaru. The snail is near the well. Now third question. Where is the bee? Bee na vandu. So where is the bee? The bee is on the flower. The bee is on the flower. Can you see the flower there? Yes, it is sitting on the flower. Where is the beetle? Where is the beetle? Where is the beetle? Yes, it is in the pumpkin. பூசணிக்காய் இருக்குல்ல, பூசணிக்காய் அதுக்குள்ள இருக்கு பாருங்க. The beetle is in the pumpkin. Next, fifth question. Where is the caterpillar? Caterpillar na கம்பளி புழு. எங்க இருக்கு? Where it is? The caterpillar is in the house. Can you see that green color caterpillar inside the house? Yes, the caterpillar is in the house. Next, where is the butterfly? Where is the butterfly? Yes, the butterfly is on the roof. The butterfly is on the roof. Roof na கூரை. இந்த கூரை மேல உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு இல்லையா? So it is on the roof. Next, where is the dragonfly? Dragonfly. தும்பின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா அதான். The dragonfly is on the flower. On the flower. On na மேல, பூ மேல உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு. The dragonfly is on the flower. Next, where is the mosquito? Mosquito na kosu. Where is the mosquito? The mosquito is near the leaf. Can you see the green color leaf? Yes, it is sitting near the leaf. அது பக்கத்துல உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு. Near. Where is the grasshopper? Grasshopper na வெட்டுக்கிளி. So where is the grasshopper? The grasshopper is on the grass. Is on the grass. Grass na புல். So புல் மேல the grasshopper உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு பாருங்க. Now last one. Where is the spider? Where is the spider? Spider na சிலந்தி. Where it is? Yes, it is hanging there under the roof. இந்த roof கீழே தொங்கிட்டு இருக்கு பாருங்க. So the spider is under the roof. Under the roof. Do you all understand the big picture, dear children? Okay. Now next we will move on to the book exercises. Book exercises. The first question is, tick the correct word. Tick the correct word. So look at the picture first. Okay. The cockroach is dash the shoes. So where is the cockroach? Is near. So tick in near. Near the shoes. Second one. The ladybug is dash the box. Ladybug எங்க இருக்கு? உள்ள. So in. The ladybug is in the box. So tick in. In. Third one. The ant is dash the chair. Ant. எறும்பு எங்க இருக்கு? It is under. Under na chair க்கு கீழ அடியில. So it is under the chair. Fourth one. The butterfly is dash the ball. So where is the butterfly? எங்க உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு? ball மேல. Is on the ball. O-N on. So tick in on. O-N on. Now check your answer, dear children. Okay. Now we'll move to the next Roman letter, that is fill in the blanks. So look at the first picture. The fish is dash the bowl. Fish எங்க இருக்கு? So it is inside the fish bowl. Bowl குள்ள இருக்கு. So in. I-N, in. Second one. The ladybug is dash the leaf. So the bug எது மேல உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு? Leaf மேல உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு. So the ladybug is on the leaf. Now check your answers. Okay. I hope you all understood the grammar portion, prepositions. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, dear children. Take care of yourself.